In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Meta AI on Facebook. Now, while there isn't a single button to completely remove or turn off Meta AI, we can minimize its presence. I'll guide you through the steps to reduce or hide it as much as possible. Let's start with the first option, which is to mute Meta AI chat. This is the best method if you're looking for a way that feels like disabling it. First, open your Facebook app. Once you're in, tap the menu bar. This is the icon with three horizontal lines located in the upper left corner of your screen. From there, find and tap the Meta AI icon. Next, you'll want to open the Info button. This is often represented by an icon that looks like a lowercase I inside a circle. Alternatively, you might see the name with a blue check mark. Tap on that. Now tap Mute. You'll be given some options. Choose Until I Change It. This action will stop notifications and chat interruptions from Meta AI. It's important to note, though, that Meta AI will still exist in the app. This step primarily deals with reducing its interruptions. Moving on to the second option, which involves reducing Meta AI through settings. You'll want to begin by opening the Facebook app once again. Tap on the menu icon, which is the same three horizontal lines as before. Now navigate to Settings and Privacy. You'll find this option near the bottom of the menu list. Once there, tap on Privacy Center. This is where you can manage a lot of your privacy settings on Facebook. Look for the section called AI at Meta. When you find it, tap on Submit Objection Request. By doing this, you are effectively asking Meta not to use your data for AI training or personalization. Keep in mind, though, that this does not remove Meta AI from the app completely. It simply limits how your data is used. These steps are crucial for managing your interactions with Meta AI. The first option is particularly helpful because it stops notifications, which can be quite distracting. The second option, on the other hand, is about data privacy. It's important because it helps you maintain control over your personal information. At this point, you might be wondering why you can't just turn off Meta AI entirely. Well, Facebook has integrated it deeply into the app's infrastructure. However, by following these steps, you can significantly minimize its impact on your user experience. Remember, these are the current best practices as of now. Technology and app interfaces are constantly evolving, so it's always a good idea to stay updated with any new features or settings that Facebook might introduce. By taking control of your app settings, you're ensuring a more personalized and less intrusive experience. You should now feel more empowered to manage how Meta AI interacts with you on Facebook. Thank you for watching, and I hope these steps help you create a more comfortable online environment.